Hey, what's going on, you guys? And welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. I'm meteorologist Marquise Meda, joined by Zach today. And you know it's getting serious because the gloves are on, the goggles are on too. We got quite the apparatus in front of us. Zach, let them know what we're doing today.
Yeah, so today we're going to do some electroplating with a chemical reaction called electrolysis. This is how we're able to put thin layers of metal on top of each other. That could be for like changing jewelry from steel to have a gold plating, or how we're able to put the copper shell on pennies that are now have that zinc core to it.
So you're going to make me look more expensive.
Exactly. I'm going to bling you out right now. So what we have here is a 6-volt battery, and attached to one side is our steel nickel, and attached to the other side is this copper bar, and we're going to add it to our copper sulfate solution. We want to make sure that they don't touch, so we have a little barrier between. If they touched, it would spark and the battery would run itself out. And that would be very, very bad. But what's happening right now is this copper sulfate chemical solution that they're both bathing in right now is actually helping transfer the electrons and protons. The steel nickel is actually attracting the copper off of that copper bar, and it's slowly but surely getting a copper layer built on top of it. And soon we'll be able to pull it out, and it's going to look like a copper penny.
Okay, I'm excited for it. But tell the folks at home, which side is the positive side, maybe the negative side?
Yeah, so our red side right here is going to be your negative. It's very important to be having that excess of electrons. And then we have our positive and our white wire that's attached to our copper bar.
Okay, cool,
Yeah,
cool.
so it should have had enough time. We'll take out our copper bar, give it a little water wash so that way we don't contaminate our chemicals. And then we have our nickel right there. And our nickel is now nicely coated in that copper solution. You can see right there. And so we have it washed off. We can go ahead, take it off of our alligator clip, and you can see right there a regular nickel and our copper coated nickel.
That is really cool. I wish we can just change the face of the president on front.
Exactly, and then you can change 5 cents into 1 cent.
You know, I'd rather do it the other way around.
Yeah, the other way around would be nicer too.
We'll work it out in the details, but we can work it out here at the Orlando Science Center too. We're hoping to see you guys all here throughout the month of August, in which we're highlighting Engineering Month, but there are 2 special dates that we have to watch out for.
Yeah, August 16th and 17th, that's our engineering weekend. We're going to have so many community partners, engineers from the community come in and do a lot of awesome stuff here at the Science Center.
Excellent. I'm looking forward to it. We have so much to show you guys, and we hope to see you guys all here throughout the month of August. Back to you.